Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Catering Services. Today we are going to make beetroot healthy salad. The ingredients: beetroot, lemon dressing, mixed leaf salad, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, onion and carrot. Cut your cucumber any shape you want, you can cut it, and the same like your carrots, the same thing, you can cut it any shape you want, you can grate or what you want. And this onions is from spring onions under, yeah, that one. You can see this one, you can use any onions you want. And you cut your tomatoes too, and you cut your beetroot, you can chop it. But remember, the salad leaves, cucumber, tomatoes, carrot, you should wash it with vinegar or salt before you use it. And you arrange it on your plate, or you can mix all together and you eat what you want to do with your salad. And you arrange it nicely. If you want to do what I'm doing it, you do it like this nicely. It's good for those people who want to open restaurants or hotels. You serve this for your customers, very nice and it's neat. And if you want to get healthy, delicious recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my YouTube channel, press the notification bell there, and like my Facebook page. Follow me on Facebook page, share my Facebook page, and comment there. And I'm on Instagram too. You can follow me on Instagram too. This salad I'm serving for one person. It's for one person. So if you want to make for two persons, you can add more ingredients to it. Please follow me, like, share my Facebook page, please, and comment for me. I'm Instagram, so follow me there too. So you can see, invite your friend, share to your WhatsApp group, share to your friends, your Facebook page, and help me to stay on social media, please. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell there, please. Anytime I post everything, you'll be the first person to see it. And you put your lemon dressing on top. I have right there ingredients you need for the lemon dressing there. This is delicious healthy salad. You need to eat it. It's ready. Thanks for watching Mayu Catering Services.